Hi, I'm Dr Debmita Dutta and this is whatparentsask.com. So at my pregnancy classes, one of the things I find expectant moms most annoyed and irritated about is nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. So yes, nausea and vomiting can be really annoying and irritating, but what is most important to understand about nausea and vomiting during pregnancy is that this nausea and vomiting during pregnancy is caused by the chemicals HCG and progesterone in the body. And the nausea and vomiting signify that these chemicals are doing their work of keeping the baby safe and your pregnancy smooth sailing. So even though the nausea and vomiting are really uncomfortable, if you understand that they're signs that your baby is doing well and your pregnancy is going well, you may not feel so unhappy about it. But nausea and vomiting can get rather severe sometimes, and if you do have severe nausea and vomiting, you must see your doctor to get some medication or some relief so that you don't go into dehydration. But nausea and vomiting can get rather severe sometimes, and if you are having too much nausea and vomiting, do see your doctor so that he can prescribe something so that you don't go into dehydration and malnutrition. But for a moderate amount of nausea and vomiting, here's what you can do. So eat small, frequent, light meals through the day. Never overload yourself with a lot of food after a long gap. When you wake up in the morning, take a few minutes to step out of bed. Don't just spring out of bed. As soon as you wake up, munch on a crunchy biscuit-like thing so that it'll take away your nausea sensation. Stick to foods that are bland and a little low on fat. If food aromas are triggering your nausea and vomiting, eat cold foods rather than hot foods because hot foods have more strong aromas. Try to get as much rest as possible because tiredness triggers the nausea. Take a stroll if you're feeling nauseated because walking around distracts your mind and takes it off the nausea, and that definitely helps. Sip water between the meals, but never gulp water. And attend a good pregnancy class that puts all these problems that you're having in the right light and the right perspective so that you can move through pregnancy with the right attitude. Here's a link to my pregnancy classes. We have a pregnancy playlist on our YouTube channel, What Parents Ask. You may want to watch that. It has a lot of tidbits of information like this. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It gives you all the information you need to be an amazing parent. I'm Dr. Debmita Dutta and this is whatparentsask.com. Thank you.